The easiest way to draw this particular straight line, x plus 2y is equal to 8, easiest way is to find where this line intersects with the two axes. And the way to do that is to put, first of all, x equal to 0 and then y is equal to 0. So if the x coordinate is 0, if I take my expression here, the x plus 2y, x is now 0, I'm left with 2y equals 8 because the x has disappeared. 2y is 8, which means that y must be 4. Now that means that my line is going to go through the point 0, 4. So let's just plot it there. If I now look at what happens when y is 0, so if the y coordinate is 0, this bit has now gone, and I'm left with x equals 8. So the line also goes through the point 8, 0, which is there. And I can now draw the straight line that goes from this point here to this point here, and beyond as well. Okay, let's make it as big as we can. Okay, it now says that I have to show by shading the region defined by all three inequalities. Now, what's important here is that the line that I've just drawn is where x plus 2y is equal to 8. And we are asked to find the region where x plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. So that is the region below the line, okay, because I can see that I'm looking for the less than sign. So the convention here is to shade out the area which is not going to be included. Okay, so below the line here, all of this down here is the area where x plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, I've now also got to draw x greater than or equal to 2. Now for that I need to draw the line where x is equal to 2. Now you should know this, but just to remind you, if this is the x-axis, okay, it's also the line y equals 0. And if this is the y-axis, which it is, then it's the line where x equals 0, just to get these the right way round. So the line where x is equal to 2 is going to be parallel to the y-axis. So if I just draw it in, it's going to go down here. So this is the line where x is equal to 2. Now I want the side where x is greater than or equal to 2. So I want this side of the line. So I'm going to again shade out this side of the line. So this side of the line is the side that I don't want. Okay, so now y greater than or equal to 1. So I need to draw the line y equals 1. So remember, the x-axis is the line y equals 0. So the line y equals 1 is going to go horizontally through 1. So the line y equals 1 is here. So this is the line where y equals 1. We want the side where y is greater than or equal to 1. So we want the area above the line. So we're going to shade the part below the line. So down here. So just shade everything out, the whole graph. Now that leaves an unshaded area, which is here. And that unshaded area is my required region, which I'm going to label R.